Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this AI gender trend video on TikTok. So if you want to change your gender on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this video, you need TikTok and you need CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor, so go ahead and search it in your Play Store or your App Store. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go back to TikTok. In TikTok, go ahead and search for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as it will appear right here. For now, I'll just use it for my favorites. So this is a video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a picture where you want to change the gender. Tap Next. Now you want to let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. And now once the AI effect has been applied, it'll give you a preview of what it has created. Once you're happy, tap Export at the top right. Then tap on Export with our watermark. This will basically take it into TikTok. Go ahead and add any text of yours. Tap Next. Go ahead and add your captions and any cover photo and then post this to your TikTok account. So for those of you who are trying to find this effect, you need to go ahead and visit this profile here on TikTok, Test the Simple Dad. Tap on this video, the AI gender filter, and then you have to tap on CapCut, try this template. From here, you can go ahead and follow the instructions on this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the AI gender trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.